Well, Kaufland was going to open 20 huge hypermarkets in Australia starting next year and has already spent hundreds of millions of dollars buying properties and hiring staff. But this afternoon, management of the German chain changed their minds and pulled out without saying why. Investors in Coles and Woolworths just breathed a big sigh of relief today, having been worried about what Kaufland would do to their margins, not to mention their volumes. So the grocers underpinned a near 1% gain by the All Ordinaries Index, taking the calendar year-to-date rise to a remarkable 6.5%. Kaufland's decision to abort its Aussie launch might have had something to do with this. Consumer sentiment fell another 1.8% in January and is now at its lowest level since 2015, no doubt in part because of the bushfires. Elsewhere, markets were a bit rattled by the coronavirus outbreak in China, which has spread to other countries, and it reminded investors of SARS 17 years ago. Here's a chart of Asian markets during that epidemic, with values rebased to 100 on April the 23rd, 2003, which is when infections peaked. Now, obviously, there was a strong recovery afterwards, but there was a decent correction while people didn't know how bad it would get, which is where we're at now with this one. Commodity prices mostly fell, apart from a 2.1% rise in the wheat price, and the Australian dollar continued to ease, down to 68.4 US cents tonight. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.